Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 19, 2023, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. First we will see where all these indices close. Then power of FinNifty, power of technical analysis. Then we go into the analysis, and finally we give the support and resistance for BankNifty option expiry for tomorrow. First the levels where it closed. FinNifty absolutely flat. 21,434.45. It formed a spinning top, slightly a lower leg. It absolutely flat. Yesterday was 21,444. Today it is 434. 10 points down. That means as flat as it can be. BankNifty also remained flat. 47,870.90. Nifty on the other hand moved up slightly, 0.16% up, closed at 21,453.10. So while FinNifty formed a spinning top, BankNifty formed Doji, and Nifty also formed a Doji. Of course, there is no difference between Doji and the spinning top. For details, people can go and see my educational video, Fibocan's video, where in the candlesticks we explain beautifully both in English and Tamil. Coming to the power of technical analysis. What is technical analysis? Yesterday, what is that we said yesterday? We told that the 6 months in the half yearly chart, the Bollinger upper band, that will act as a resistance. We had said that that level is 21,746. It never went there. Likewise, we said that the previous week low will act as a very good support. It acted. So what is happening? And if you recollect, the beginning of the week or even last week itself, we said that this week is going to be a sideways week with sideways. Why? Because in the weekly chart, after a significant up move and above all the indices are above the Bollinger upper band in the weekly chart. That means there is some pullback happening. Why the pullback is happening? It is very simple. Those who have entered at the lower price are now booking profits. Hence, they are creating selling pressure. Okay? Or they are creating supply. And smart traders, they know that there is no runaway rally that is going to happen. They are going short, creating supply. Hence, supply is more. But at the same time, because it is so bullish, there are a lot of new buyers who are coming. Hence, they are holding it. That's the simple reason why market is going sideways. Very simple. It's like a tug of war. It's evenly fought battle. That's why it is going sideways. So I expect this entire week going to be sideways. Or it can slightly come down. If the levels are broken, it can come down. What is the level? I watch only one level. Very simple now. Weekly upper band. Now, Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty all are above the weekly upper band. So the weekly upper band should hold. It is the upper band above which it has gone. It is very difficult to go. So bulls have managed to go above. Now they have to hold it. They should not break below that. That is what they will try to do. So that is the key level to be watched for this entire week. With that background, let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks today, ICICI Bank fell 1%, AU and Bandhan fell 2%, Yes Bank fell 3%. Axis, Indus and SBA up 1%. On the financials, Finserv, Bajaj Finserv, Jio and M&M Finance 1% down. Bajaj Finance, IDFC and Manappuram 1% up. Insurance and cards, LIC, HDFC Life, SBI Life 1% down. Oil and telecom, Reliance 1% up. Bharati remained flat. So if you see here, like nothing much, no, something went 1% down, something up 1%. That's what is happening. In the IT, HCL Tech, TCS, Techem, Wipro 1% down. Coforge 2% down. LGTS 2% down. Apple moved up by 1%. All others remained sideways. In the consumer goods, ABFRL 1% down. Britannia, HUL, ITC, Trent 1% up. Coal India, Coalpal 2%. Nestle 4% up. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motor, Escorts, M&M, Maruti, TVS Motors, all down 1%. Hero Motors down 2%. Bharat Forge was the sole winner, moving up by 1%. Metals was a down day today. NMDC, Tata Steel 1% down. National Aluminium 2% down. All these things moved up significantly in the last few days. SAIL down 4%. Coal India still continued. It had a massive move of 5% today. In the health and pharma, Sun Pharma down 1%, while Dr. Reddy Metropolis Apollo Hospital up 1%, Cipla up 2%, Thyrocare up 3%. In the others category, Adani Enterprise, APL Apollo, Godrej, IndiaMart, MCX, Nykaa, Polycab, UPL all down 1%, Adani Ports down 2%, Jubilant Foods and Zomato up 1%, Delta Corp and Havells up 2%. So basically nothing much to choose because few went up, because it is a sideways market. There has been significant up move that had happened. Something which slightly goes up, the others come down to compensate, and which is why we are having a sideways market. With all these things, what do we expect for Bank Nifty expiry tomorrow? Again, once the market opens, we will know, we'll be able to easily identify and give levels that are that will enable one to make excellent profit, which we do consistently. But for this one, like because we are not SEBI registered, as I told, we cannot give. But what is the one thing that will act as a resistance, which one can think of with such a move that is happening? Monthly upper band, which is at 48,702. So it's slightly difficult for Bank Nifty. It is actually difficult for Bank Nifty to cross that at least in this week. Probably next week it can happen the way it closes this week, but this week it is very difficult to happen. Hence, that is something which one can consider. On the lower side, the support, which is at December 13th to close, 47,092.25. Why? Because after December 13th, there is a gap of opening. So hence that gap is very important. So it is very difficult to go down below the gap and close below that. Okay, there is a gap between this close and the next opening. So hence that gap is something very important, and this level is a very good support. It cannot be broken. It's like a concrete proof. So that will act as a very good support. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.